Myself, Dr. Nidhi Jindal. I am working as consultant dermatologist in Salt Lake and Newton area of Kolkata. I am having more than 15 years of experience in the field. Laser hair reduction is a blessing for the patients who have unwanted hair over their face. Because we all know for females it's very difficult to survive with unwanted hair on the face, as it shatters their confidence and make them very low to feel. Laser hair reduction is a device with the help of which we can have a permanent, almost kind of a permanent hair reduction after a certain number of sessions. It's US FDA approved and it's absolutely safe to do a laser hair reduction. So basically, laser hair reduction requires multiple sessions. The number of sessions, they depend upon the age of the patient. They depend upon the underlying hormonal concern of the patient. They also depend upon the severity of the hair growth. It is variable, and it's better to get it done under a doctor's guidance so that the required investigations can be done to know if there is any systemic concerns which is causing this kind of unwanted hair growth. The number of sessions, they are separated apart at 1 month's interval. The time required for one sitting depends upon the area to be lased, and like for face it takes around 20 to 25 minutes. For full body might take around 3 to 4 hours to complete the session, and it's very convenient to get it done, because if you are doing any other kind of a hair removal methodology, you tend to do it every weekly, 2 weekly, or every monthly. That's going to destroy or that's going to damage your skin texture, and that you have to do it lifetime. There is no end to it. But if you are doing a laser hair reduction, initially you might have to do multiple sessions at a gap of 1 month. Ultimately it will be done forever, so it's not going to bother you in the later years of life. We at Wisdom are using a US FDA machine, Soprano Eyes, which is one of the world's best machine. It is a way of the fastest laser hair reduction, and it does not give any pain. It's a kind of a painless laser hair reduction. There are certain do's and don'ts for the laser hair reduction. So once you are doing laser hair reduction, you shall not do anything to remove your hair which involves or disrupts the hair follicle, like waxing, threading, plucking, using of depilatory creams and all. There are generally no side effects, and very important to tell you that doing laser hair reduction does not give any kind of a cancer. It's absolutely safe to do a laser hair reduction. After doing laser hair reduction, if there is mild redness, the dermatologist will give you the required treatment. You have to use gentle cleansers, and the sunscreen is a must if you are doing a laser hair reduction. If you have any query, book an appointment with me at Wisdom City Center 1. Thank you.